Hey everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to use the Polarsteps app, one of my favorite ways to track travels and share them like a digital travel journal. Polarsteps automatically logs your trips using your phone's GPS. It builds a beautiful map and timeline of everywhere you've been, even offline. It's perfect for travelers who want to document their journey without manually checking in all the time. When you open the app, you land on your travel timeline. Here, you can see all your past trips, upcoming trips, and the moments you've logged, which Polarsteps calls steps. It's super visual with photos, notes, and a map of your route. So if we add a trip here, you can add something from the past, and you can put photos from that past trip in order to log it. Now to start a new trip, for instance, tap the plus icon, which we just tapped, and you can name your trip. Let's see, I want to plan a future trip. Set the dates, the destinations, and share it with friends. The app automatically starts tracking your route in the background. No need to constantly open it. If you want to add a step manually, like a memory, photo, or a note, just tap into your trip and whatever trip you want. Let's say we're having a trip right now, and then you can just name your trip. Summer is here. And then you can add a short summary, coast travel. And then you can add people. It's kind of like a social media thing that's added to it with photos and such. Now it also builds an interactive map with a line tracing your route and pins for each step. You can zoom in, tap a step, see everything you've added in that location. You can easily share your trips with friends or family by sending them a link. And the coolest part, you can order a printed travel book straight from the app. It also auto-generates a photo book based on your steps. And that's it, really. Polarsteps makes documenting your travel effortless and actually fun. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment. Safe travels. Let me know what else you'd like to see on this channel. And yeah, thank you.